Hello, 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 and welcome to the Rhonda Said Show. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day. It is the week of the big holiday for most Christian people, and it's going to be Yule for my pagan friends. And we already had the Hanukkah pass us by, and Kwanzaa's after Christmas, so there's lots of stuff coming up, but I'm going to say happy holidays to everybody. Today I'm going to do a look with one of my early Christmas presents, the Bad Witch Club by Gimme Glow Cosmetics, which is a fantastic company. They've made some of my very favorite palettes, and this is what it looks like. Look at all those colors, it's so pigmented. How will you know for sure if it's pigmented if you don't see any magic swatches? Magic swatches coming right up. Bam! Look at that. Look at those. That is just one dip and one swatch. They are pigmented all get out. I can't wait to put them on my eyes. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but I've got the rest of my face made up. I got my mindset on you, Mr. Palette. Mr. Beautiful Bad Witch Club. Let's see. I'm going to start with, let's hex our X's here, this pink, because it is the softest color. Well, this lavender isn't too bad. Don't make me get my broom. But I'm going to start with this pink in the crease. It's really going on super easy and blending out super sweet, because I didn't want it too heavy, but I want somewhere to start from, and that looks great. And there we go, we've got the base set. And then I'm going to, it's so hard to decide what to do because there's so many beautiful, vibrant colors. I think I'm going to save the lavender for my lid. I'm going to go into Coven Confession right here. So beautiful. It's got such a great shine to it. And I'm going to put that in my outer corner. Oh my God. Can you see that shine? And it buffs out beautifully. That looks gorgeous. So I'll do the same over here. That is just beautiful. I am loving that so much. It is gorgeous. Fargan gorgeous. And I'm gonna use my finger and go into don't make me get my broom. I'm gonna put that right here. That's really pretty. I'm probably gonna get a highlighter and go on top of that to give it like an icy shimmer. But that just is another beautiful purple, because this is such a pigmented palette that I'm really wanting to soften this up a lot. I really feel like I should use some of these greens. Really kind of just make it like go crazy. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get a little flat brush, and I'm gonna go into Cheers Witches. put that right in the center. And that looks amazing. So now I'm going to get an over highlighter here, which is Glazed Donut, which is a super, no, maybe I'll go into Star Island. Which one is silver? I think I'm gonna go Glazed Donut. It's not really making it pop, but it's lightening it up a little bit. But it makes it look really pretty and a lot softer. So cute. Very cute. I'm going to do liner and lashes and I'll be right back. No, I'm not. I'm going to put a little bit of darkness in the outer corner with Let's Play Light as a Feather. Let's get a blending brush. I get so crazy with my ideas. Let's blend it all out. Oh, that's much better. Now, liner and mascara. And voila, we have this gorgeous look. And I'm loving this so much. And I'm going to use a beautiful nude, which is number 65 from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink, which is called Seductress. I should have known that because I've used it a million times. And there we go. We have a gorgeous look from a great palette from Give Me Glow, and it's the Bad Witch Club. Thanks for being with me here today. I hope you have a great holiday, and we'll see you real soon.